Yes, Sanju.
Yes. So
Yes.
we have a keyword. Okay. We have a
Okay.
keyword. We have a keyword in Java. We have a 53 keywords. Okay. So maybe later point of time, if new version will be get, they will be put a new keyword also. But right now we are introduce not use keyword. Two keyword is here. Go to and constant. Reserve for the literal values means whatever the predefined data type there, they will be giving the semester first. Null is also keyword, false is also keyword, and true is also keyword. I will be discuss where you will be get this kind of the output, okay, in the next session. So here you can write first keyword, inside the keyword, reserve for the literal value, null, false and true, not used keyword, const constant, you can say the constant, but you will be write the const only, and go to. Okay. Then what are the used keyword inside the Java? So we are divided. Suppose we have a section, modifier section, we have a class level keyword, we have object level keyword, we have a control level keyword, we have a this is the exception flow keyword, and this is the void level keyword, and this is the data type. So you can divide. So sometime whenever you will get what are the modifier in the Java, you can easily say that public, private, protected, final, static, strict FFP, synchronized, synchronized, native, transient, and default and volatile. If someone will ask to you, you will be get the requirement to you class means whenever you will listen about the class word means in your mind will become, oh, in the class level we have need to the list import keyword, package keyword, class level keyword, extends keyword, implements keyword, interface keyword, assert keyword, enums keyword. So developer, you should remember whenever you will be get the requirement, these all things are primary. So make the easy for the development part. Got it my point? Hello? Are you hear me? Hello?
Yes, we are able
Please,
to hear you.
please one people can at least you can acknowledgement to me because I will be go ahead. Okay?
Yeah, yeah, got
Okay.
it.
So object level, whenever you will discuss about the object, so and or create the object, so this kind of the keyword will be used. This keyword, super keyword, new keyword, and instance of. Whenever you will be see this kind of the keyword anywhere, you will easily to find this keyword will belongs to the object level. Okay. Then we will go to the control. Control flow is also here. Means whenever you will control the your source file based on the event and requirement, you will be use this keyword. If, else, do, while, switch, case, break, continue, level, for each. For each also come JDK 1.5 you can write. So I will be teach how you will be importance of the one for each. This will be also look like as A को B. ठीक है? But first we will see that for each as is just like a for loop, but this is different. I will be discuss in the program. Okay. So for each is a pronunciation. You can say the for each, and this one is the for label. You will be discuss. I will be discuss inside the case. Whenever you switch case will be discussed, then I will be delivered to you. Got it? My point. Hello.
Yeah,
Then again,
yes.
exception flow. How, what are the keyword you'll use inside the exceptions? We will use through the catch, try, catch, finally, throw, throws, assert. Assert is right now not used. Assert come in 1.4 version. So you can write. So at least as a developer, you know about that what version will become and where you will be used or not. Mostly we are using right now try, catch, finally, throw and throws. So I will be discuss where you will use throw, where will you use the throws, and what are the most important try, catch, and finally. Then we will discuss void. Void is also one keyword that are return type. You see the public static void main. So this is also keyword. Then again we will discuss what are the data type. In this session today I will discuss what are the data type is there and what is the range of that, what is the size of that. If you will mention of the data type, what kind of exception you will be get in the program, I will be discussed. So first byte we have data type, short, then we have a int data type, then we have a long data type, then we have a float data type, char, double and char. So are you going to note this all information right now?
Yeah.
Sanjay, what is this modifier? Is I
See,
mean, class object we know, but modifier we didn't know.
see, modifier, whenever you will see, yesterday we will discuss public modifier. Whenever you put the modifier, they will be change the behavior of the class. Got it my point? If you,
Whenever I put the modifier, it will say the behavior of the class.
yeah, change, the behavior will be changed. They will be get the some requirement. See, if you will know about the C has a access specifier. In the C, access specifier is there. So in the Java, the same thing, they are saying the modifier only. See, public, private, protected panel you will see inside the C also, but here also using, but we in a Java we are using name of the modifier. Name will be only for the change here. Got it my point?
Can you give me one example, Sanjay? I didn't
Sometime
understand that.
sometime example, suppose you are employee in your company, okay?
Okay.
So your designation will be put before your name. So
Yes.
your behavior will be changed. Okay,
Okay.
the sometime you will go to the home, your behavior will change. Your name before us mention the father means you will become a father is there. Okay, sometime yeah, before your name you will put a son, so your behavior will be changed. Got it my point?
Okay. Depend. I'm as a class, and if I put the modifier,
Yeah, yeah,
the class behavior will change. That's
yes,
what you're telling.
yeah, yeah, you are right. See,
Okay. Fine.
in one class last we are you mention the public. If you not mention the public, they are by default behave as a default. See, we have a default. If you are not mention the public modifier, they are used as a default. By default will be used. Got it my point? So
Yeah. Yeah.
modifier is also required. Sometime whenever you use the local variable, what is the local variable I discuss? There by default final modifier will be there. I will discuss what is a static. Okay. What are the most important topic here? We have a 53 modifier. If you discuss about the 53 all, there will be some extent will be class. But I will be discuss all the most important topic, what are the use and later point of time easily to understand you will. Got it my point?
Total, how many keywords, Sanjay?
53. 53 keyword.
53 keywords.
Yes. You can write 53 keywords. 53 keywords were divided three parts. First, reserve word for literal value. Inside the three keywords, null, false, true. Not use keyword, constant means const, you can say that, and go to, and then you can write used keyword. Used keyword we are divided in the module. So easily you can understand. If I will give you 53 keyword, you have very difficult to understand and very difficult to remember. But if you will be remember just like a by the module, modifier level, someone will ask you, what are the keyword used on the modifier level? You can easily to say that. We have 11 modifier, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. This one is a synchronized spelling will become here. So this one is also same. So total is the 11 modifier. Got it my point? If someone asks to you, what are the most important keyword used on the class level? So already we are using the class level 1 modifier class, last class. Whenever you will be extend another class, then we will use to the extend keyword. Whenever you will implement any other interface, then you will use the implement interface. When you will call any class inside the class, so they will be come through the address inside the class with package only. Got it my point? Hello?
Yeah.
See,
You can proceed, Prince.
JSC API. See, we have a more number of package. Got it? This is the more number of package here. Java.lang package. So by default, we will use there based on the package. So this is the class level keyword and object. Someone will ask to you what are the keyword you will use on the object level. So you can easily say that this super new instance of. Suppose someone solve your problem, instance of you. So this that kind of your time all use your an instance of. Suppose that you have a I will be discussing the program, so you can not only right now. Okay, instance of control flow, how to control the data means based on the requirement. Okay, so are you going to not
Can you,
hello?
yeah, can you go down?
Yeah, you have noted all those things.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we will discuss what are the primitive.
Hang on. Just show the second part of the table on the second page.
Okay.
Data type is a keyword, and in that data types, you segregating with the primitive data type.
Yes, I will be discuss primitive data type, what are the primitive data type and how to divide it, all those things. So you have noted all this keyword.
Can you
Yes.
go up? Can you go up once?
Okay, so we have a primitive data types. In the primitive type, we are divided. Number data type to represent a number, char data type to represent a character, boolean data to represent a logical value. Okay, then you are going to not, or may I go ahead?
Yeah, this one you can go ahead.
Okay. So now numeric data type to represent a value already told you. So inside the numeric data type, what kind of the data type will become? So integral data type to represent a whole number. So we already know about we have a 8 data type. So 8 data type, which place will be divided? So we are dividing the numeric data type inside that integral data type. So in integral data type have a 4 part: byte, short, int and long. Okay, then we will go to the float data type. Float data type is also inside the numeric data type, but inside the floating data type we have divided 2 part: float and double. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, then we will discuss what are the range of this, what are the size of this, and which scenario will be used in the program based on the requirement. Got it? So byte data type have a 8-bit size, 1 byte. This is the 8-bit or 1 byte you can say. If someone who asked you what is the size of the byte, you can say the 1 byte. And they're taking the maximum value 100, 127. If you will take 128, they will be give the some exception. So I will be show in the program also. Minimum you can take minus 128 to 127. This is the range of the byte. So you should remember also, this is the all basic primary fundamental information. Sometimes people are directly see the data without remember the range and they get the some error in the program. So you cannot do. Okay, then the most significant bit is called a bit. Okay, 0 means positive value, and so you have no, you, I think you have very well in the number system, so I will not discuss here. Am I right? Hello.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
fine.
Okay, so most significant bit is called the sign bit. 0, whenever you will get the positive data will be represent, and whenever you get the 1 you will get the minus. So value positive represented directly in the memory, where Negative represented two complements for. Okay. So now we will write a one program and we will get the what kind of the exception we are getting based on the byte data type. So we will go again, we will go to some command. Okay. You can write also notepad, no worry about that, or directly you can notepad. The last class you have already used only. So you have a public class test. Okay. Public static void main string. Okay. We have requirement byte equal to 14. Okay. Okay. Direct we will get, we will save this code test dot java to the double quotation because we have confirmed the extension of dot java file. Okay. Then we will go to the java c test dot java. See, java c is not recognized as a internal external command. Yesterday you got the problem. Am I right?
Yes, yes. Yes,
So
yes. You need to
yeah.
set the path.
Okay. So your problem has been solved and you cannot. Why did you get Java C is not recognized? I will be create the exception here. You will be focused because exception is the most required for every developer. People are only for so the output get left that. Major part is the exception. You erase the exception, you get the exception because you will be get in the lower level project and high level project. Every place you will get the exception. You are, if you are based in the area, solve the exception, you will become the good developer. That's the main reason, Rocio. So today I will be solve your
Okay.
problem. Okay, Java C is not recognized and as an internal or external command. Okay, so now we will set the path.
What it look like, you need to mandatory, you need to set it daily.
Yeah, because
To Sanjay,
as a fresher,
there is no way to set it. There is
permanent.
no way to set it a permanent.
No. This is a good. Every system you can set the permanent, but as a training, this is not good. Because if you will set the permanent, student will forget. And maybe later point of time, if you will be also you are forget, what will do? How many time you will bring the notes? Tell me, is it possible? So better to do the manual work. You will understand all those things. Got it my point?
Okay.
Okay. So see here also JRE. Yesterday you are asking what is JRE. You are getting JRE inside the JDK. All those things are bin. Some bin is also belongs to that. What are the predefined JRE? You have also JRE. Inside the lib folder also there. Means JDK have a complete information I will discuss. So right now we'll go to the bin, copy. Now we will be check. We have the habit to check the version is available or not. Java. Right now we have a version old, whatever the install set the path you will get. Again we will be compile this code. See, our compilation will be successful. So whatever you exception yesterday you get, today have a solve. File is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay. Now we will be run this program. See, we are get successful output. Okay. Then again we will take 127. This is the maximum size. Am I right? This is the maximum
Yes.
size.
So
B1, this is also, we will be save this one and go to the again you will compile. See what are the exception you are getting. They are getting the acknowledgement test.java 11 error, package system does not exist. Why? Because whenever I discuss in the what is definition of the class, can you say what is the definition of the class? Hello.
class is the representative of the object.
Okay, nice. What are the example of that?
System, compiler, package, object.
Okay, okay.
Event.
So here we have a system is a one also class. So what are the major role follow the class name? Class name should be capital letter. Class name should be, you can write the not. Class name should be capital letter. First letter me, whenever you will system is capital is required. Again will we solve this problem. Line number 11, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They are counting all line, what are the space will be there in the source files. You should remember all those things. So now we will change. If you will use user defined class as a small letter, it will be run and you will be get the output, compile and run both. But think whatever the predefined class, they will be not follow your rule. You should be follow the rule of whatever developed by the Oracle team. Okay, so that's why we will save this program, compile successful and run this program. See, we are getting the. So what kind of exception you will get, you should remember, and you will be not in your notebook. So later point of time easily you can understand. You will not face anything else. Okay. Hello. Are you
So
getting?
how can we know this is the how can we know the predefined this kind of issues? So suppose we need to keep the small cap letter only here kind of things.
Capital letter.
How can we know? Yes, how can we know?
See, as a developer, we have remembered that this is the all predefined class. Means this is
Okay.
the rules. If you will use the class name, see also in the real life, whenever you will put the name, you will write a capital letter or not. Think like that. Class name is a noun. They follow as the English letter. English grammar, you know about the very well. Inside the English grammar also follow the noun. Whenever you will write Mr. Mr. Dot Rambabu or Banquet, whatever you write the first capital letter. Got it my point?
Yeah, that's okay. There is no help kind of thing in this case. If you find this kind of issues, press F1 kind of thing and get the help kind of. The system provides some help kind of thing there.
Yeah. System right now they are not giving the acknowledgement. Please, just like yesterday you are also there. Some get the exception. Whenever you will get the main method, you are not put inside the class. They are request to please define the public static void main. But here,
Exactly.
they are not giving the request to me or us to please define the capital letter. Am I right or not?
Yes.
So that's the problem of the developer. That's what problem the developer are very difficult to understand what will do. So you should remember the rules. That's why I want to teach you based on the rules. People are very about only for practical. I know what are the practical is required. I will be fulfilled within a 1 day. But major part is that rules. If you follow the rules, you will be enjoy the job. You will be do the most depth inside the program.
Sanjay, I have a doubt.
Okay.
When I created a folder in C directory, I don't have a DEF directories. I have only directory have C directory.
Okay.
And then that C directory, I created a temp for Java.
Okay.
So I came into the C into temp and I set the path. Set path is equal to bin. But
Okay.
still it is Java C is not recognized as internal external command. I said all the path I copied and it is successful. A path is successful, but it is still Java C is not recognized as internal external command is coming. Is
So
something different?
see, no, listen. In your C drive, Java is installed.
Yes.
Okay. So you want to set right now temporary path, right?
Yeah.
So you can create a one folder in the C drive. Suppose you are creating a one folder inside the C drive.
Yeah. I created Java program files we have. 1 second.
No,
Sanjay, I am showing to Venkat also.
don't write the here program file. The program file are giving.
Java.
Don't create here any folder. You can create outside because whatever the folder you see here, they are creating by default by the software. We are not creating any folder here. Okay. As a developer, I will request to you don't make any folder
Okay.
a folder on the C means desktop or any C folder because C folder only for use for the software purpose. Suppose you are doing the job. If I will put to the extra burden on your head, what will do? Your head will be only for think your burden, whatever you put under your head. Got it my point?
Okay.
The same thing in the divider. So we should at least you can divide 2 or 3 drives. That's better for development.
Okay.
Okay. So here we all drive is predefined. We are not creating anything else. So if you want to compile or run, you can create here also. That's better.
Okay.
Okay.
That's what I did, Sanjay. That's what I did. But only thing what I made mistake is just I showed to Venkat.
Okay.
I created C program Java JRE bin JRE we have a bin. I selected that, but it is not right.
No, you
Venkat.
see. We have installed by default Java. We are not giving the any location here. Then you can take
Okay.
and then you can go and take this one. This one is
No,
take.
what
You can take this one.
Where Java C is residing, that bin you have to set it. In GRE, you don't get Java C file in that. Oh, that okay. Okay, now okay. You understood? Yeah. So only in JDK bin only you'll say Java C file. Yeah. Yeah, I understand. Okay, Sanjay, carry on. I got clarity.
Okay.
I have doubt. I did that program, what you did. I saved as test.java. When I am trying to compile, it is saying file not found. Usage Java C option, source file. Use -L for a list of possible options. You said you need to save it as quotations test.java?
No. Did you save that in quotations?
It
No.
won't save. Yeah.
No.
Okay. Yeah.
Go to the folder where you saved the program. There you try to compile it.
Yeah.
I think you are not compiling in.
No,
that
I am
folder.
compiling in that. I am compiling in that test folder itself. I saved the program in test folder, C test, and in test folder I am giving command Java C. My file name is test.java.
you set that folder as a current folder, current directory?
Yeah, I did run it. It's set and Java C file not found.
See, I want to request you, what are kind of exception you are getting right now process, the same thing happen in the interview. Interviewer will be give the some instructions. please XYZ candidate go to user defined drive. User defined drive means E drive, because C drive is the predefined in every system. Got it? That's why we are change the user defined based on the requirement interviewer, whatever the asking. Please go to the user defined drive E, then you can create a folder based on your name. So you will be get the requirement. After that your name will be here, and then you will be write the based on the requirement. They will be say the test.java, or they will say the human, or maybe they will say the car.java, or maybe say the pen.java, or water bottle in Java, system.java. You can say that they will be give the requirement. So based on the requirement, we are creating a folder and compile and run this program. Got it?
Okay.
So you can do that. If you have a possible, you can create another folder drive also there. So that's a better. And do the practice
Okay,
every day. You will do the practice every day. Sometime you have faced the problem. Maybe we are using a out. Out is also reference variable, all the small letter. Maybe sometime you will get the capital letter, you will get the exception. Here print ln is a method. Method just like a variable. You see the end of English word meaning. Variable should be only for the small letter. So they are follow based on the rules. See, every grammar, this is also language. Java is the language. They are follow the rules. English is also language. They follow the rules. People, if you not the follow the rules, you will forget all those things. When we'll discuss about the interface also follow the rules. The first letter will be capital letter. So that's the matter. If you'll use the user defined interface or user defined class, you can also put the small letter. First letter is small. They will run and compile all those things. But think, we are learning for the predefined, whatever the developed by the Oracle team or other company API will be used based on this. So that's why we are follow the rules. We will learn the rules. Got it, my point? Hello.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay. So may I go ahead?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay. So now the other byte B2 into minus 128. Again we will compile. See, we are getting exception. We are getting exception line number 17. Error cannot find symbol system dot out. See, we have instruction out will be capital letter print ln v2 means here we will get the some symbol variable out location class system means class system location you have getting the exception. So you cannot this kind of exception you will get. They are giving the acknowledgement symbol means if you are remember what is the out, they will easily to find out symbol variable out have a problem and location where system class system. They right now they are giving that class is a system is a class. They
Class
are,
is a test, right?
hello, pardon.
Our class is a test. Our class is a test, right?
Yes, our class is a test whatever develop, but here we are giving the information location class system. Class is a predefined.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
what
yeah,
this
yeah.
is the predefined class. The inside that we are giving that. Okay, so you can note this exception also later point of time easily can you handle. Okay, and some instruction also. One error we are getting. Got it my point?
Show me the program, Sanjay.
Yeah, yeah. See, we have a program.
Okay. So where did you do the mistake?
Here,
System?
here. We are doing the mistake.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
See, we will
Okay, okay.
change this problem, and again we will save this one, and again we will go to the compile and run. Right now we are getting minus 128 to 1 minus 120. This is the range of the byte we can take. Again, See, we will get again compile. See what a kind of exception we are getting. Java C test dot 13 line number 13 error incompatible type possible lossy conversion from int to byte means they are giving the information your byte range is 128. They are not possible to hold inside the byte because they are going out of range. They are giving the instruction here int means int is the greater than byte. Again in 20 line number 21 cannot find symbol because system.out.println. See, we are putting the print is the capital letter. Got it my point? So we are getting symbol method println byte variable out of type print stream. I will be discuss what is the print stream. Print stream right now the location variable out of type print stream. So we will solve this problem. We are getting two kind of problem here. First, we are put the value out of the range of the byte. Second, we are break the protocol of the methods because method will be named first. The capital letter will resolve this. Okay.
Sanjay,
Yeah.
Venkat here. I have a question.
Okay.
Why now the error is throwing at a compilation level? I would expect this will be giving at a runtime.
Yeah, I will be teach to you what is the compile time and runtime, all those things. So don't worry about that. Okay. See, we will see because when you do the compile, they will be generate the sum all instruction. Okay. After test.java, they will be go into the JVM. So they will first acknowledgement to us. What are the range of all or not? So as a developer, you should know about that. Got it my point?
No.
Okay.
My question is, say now you are assigning 128 as a hard-coded value.
Okay.
No, but like I do B1 say like, after system out.println, if I write B3 is equal to B1 plus B2. So at compilation time, you don't know what is the value will be. Still, you'll get an error at compilation level or at the runtime error?
Compilation time, you can see that right now we have no, see, we are getting a compilation times. They are giving the acknowledgement incompatible type, possible loss of precision. If you use in the 1.5, you will get the possible loss of precision. Precision means range you are losing, whatever the range. Suppose people have a height to 6 feet. If you will put to in the 5 feet, means they have getting the some problem. The same thing happened with him. Possible logic conversion from int to byte. So,
okay.
So if you will be not remember as a developer what are the range of the byte, you will be get this kind of the exception. And this exception sometime as a experience you will go to the interview, they will give the ask the interview also online test or written test, they will be give the 2 or 3 exception. When did you get possible loss of precision? So you can say that it is out of range. Got it my point?
Okay. Yeah.
So we will be again resolve this problem. We will write 6 or this problem will be solved because under the see we have a problem has been solved. Got it? Hello. So this kind of information also will be changed when I will teach to you typecasting. What is a typecasting? I will be discuss how this kind of problem will be solved in the program based on the requirement. Okay. So did you note all those program? Hello.
Yes, yeah, we noted down that.
Okay, so go ahead.
Yeah, please go ahead.
See, we have 130, we will possible loss of precision found int and you are getting a requirement byte. This kind of the exception you will be get in the different all the JDK. So right now you already see in the based on the 1.8. See, byte data type is best suitable if you want to handle data in the term of stream. Stream means 0 1 from the file or network. less amount of people are using a byte based on the requirement. Whenever you will be get the requirement from the client, project based client will be tell you what kind of the data you have required, means, or yeah, your senior team leader will be also say you if you are getting the requirement, based on the requirement you can use the byte data type. Okay, then we will go to the sort. What is the sort? Sort 2 bytes and range will be 16 bit. The maximum range minus 32,765 to 32,767. If you will be do the same thing, whatever you done in the byte, if you will do the same thing with sort, you will get the same exception. So always you will be remember and do the practice based on the range only. Got it my point? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. See, we are using here out of range. Maximum range is the 32,767, but we are using 32,678. So getting possible loss of precision found int. He is asking that we are found int but required byte, so not possible. We are getting compile time exception. Then again int. The
What is
more
that CE?
part compile
C,
time. This is the
C.E.
yeah compile time, compilation error. You can say that the short form compilation error. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So don't
Is equal to possible loss of precision. Okay.
loss of precision. You can write.
Okay.
So possible loss of precision and required byte. Again, we will discuss about the int. The most commonly used int in a int data type. ठीक है? It has by range 4 byte. If people will ask to what is the range of the int, you can say the 4 byte. See, he has also range 2147. It's not difficult to remember, but if you will be do that, this kind of, you will easily to practice and do the remember, you can all those things. The same thing happen. Is a int you can write long also. When int is not enough to hold a big value, suppose sometime if you will be make the distance from sun to earth, that place you cannot handle the range inside a int, so you should use the long. So when int is not enough to hold a big value, then we should go for the long based on the requirement. So it has a 8 byte. And the range we are not right, because you see int is also so big, so as based on the byte you can use on the long also. Then we will go not all the above data type, just like byte, short, int, long, for the represent the whole number. Whenever you will discuss about the whole number 0 to infinity, that kind you see that byte, short, int and long you can use the 4 kind of data type based on the requirement. If you have any question you can ask. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, we are good. You can continue.
Okay. So if you want to represent real number, compulsory we should go for the data type float. Float have also 4 byte. It has a range. This is the exponential range. So -3 to +3. E exponential digit will be count here. Range, if you want to 5 to 6 decimal place of occurrence, suppose you have 4.5666, they count the at least 5 to 6 decimal point after point. Okay, just suppose that you have a 4, so they will be count like that at least 6. Okay, got it my point? So we want to 5 to 6 decimal place of occurrence, then we should go for the float. Okay, then double is also same. Double 8 byte consume the range, and in range minus 1.7 e exponential 2 plus 1.7 exponential, they will go to that. Then we want to decimal, after decimal they will count 14 to 15 decimal place to occurrence, then we should go for the double. Okay, then we will go to the Boolean. Boolean have not applicable, means applicable application, because based on the JVM will be decide So there are not any range in the Boolean, not applicable, but only value for the true false. Means whenever you use the Boolean, they will be give the true false. By default, Boolean giving the false value, and based on the requirement, they will give the true. This is the Boolean. Then we will go to the char data type. Char is a 2 byte. It has also range in the positive 0 to 65,535. The char. In the Java, we can use Unicode character. So did you know about the Unicode or ASCII code difference? Hello?
No, we don't know.
ASCII code, did you hear about the ASCII code?
Yes.
What is this? Can you say that in the full form, anything else?
I think American Standard.
Okay.
I think I forgot the abbreviation, but that is what the Windows will be using as an ASCII code
Okay.
for representation of a.
Because ASCII code is through the C programming language. They follow C programming language. Got it? They have range 256, maximum range 256. Means whatever the predefined digit will be there, they have some ASCII value. Suppose people will ask to you, what is the ASCII value of a small a? What is ASCII value of a small z? What is ASCII value of a small capital A? What is ASCII value of capital Z? So you can easily say to him through the ASCII value, if capital A means ASCII value will be 65. Got it? Hello?
Okay.
So the same thing happen here. Whatever the character digit A, B, C, D has, every time we have a predefined ASCII value there. The same thing happen in the Unicode, universal code. In the Java, you can universal code character which cover worldwide. Whatever the language will be there, they will be cover the all through this range 0 to 65,535. That's why people are too much popular of the Java. Got it, my point? They are not left
No, come
any.
again.
Whatever we have language, okay, whatever we have language, Chinese, Hindi, or ABCD, or any ASCII character will be, they can hold inside the 0 to 65,535 range. Got it, my point? In the Java, we can use unique character which cover the worldwide set alphabet. The number of Unicode character is greater than 256. Where you will discuss about the ASCII, they have range 256 only. 1 byte is not enough. Yeah, pardon?
Okay.
1 byte.
So Unicode, yeah.
1 byte is not.
Proceed.
The 1 byte is not enough to represent all character because 1 byte is used only inside the C. In the Java, we should go for 2 bytes. That's why they are possible to hold all language, whatever the predefined there. Got it, my point?
Yeah.
Hello. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. So in C language, you will say char will be 1 byte because they follow the ASCII. They have a range 256. See, we will show the ASCII. Some online you can easily to learn. ASCII value. See, we have a, we have a ASCII some value minus, suppose you have a one ASCII, all the ASCII value is here. Got it, my point? ASCII character. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you getting or
Can
not?
you show us? Yeah, Unicode characters also. Can you show me?
Pardon?
Can you show me the Unicode characters?
Yeah. See here,
In the net?
we have a small. If people will ask to you what is the A, you will say the 97. 97 is a ASCII value. Okay, A. You will get the also output in the code Java if sometime you will compile. And B, you will be 98. So A to Z, you can easily to say to people what are the, if you know about the A, small a, you can say 97. Capital A, will 65, already told you 65. So easily see every greater than, less than, every have a ASCII value 1 2 3 4. One have a also one ASCII keyword 40 49. Underscore also have a ASCII value 45. Plus have also ASCII value. So the based on that understand our system. Got it my point or not? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. So you should go for 2 byte. If people will ask you in a Java, why char data type will be used 2 byte, why not 1? So easily you can say in the Java use Unicode character which cover the worldwide all alphabetical. Where you will be use 1 byte, they have not possible to use all the Unicode character worldwide because their range is at 256. Where when we use the 2 byte, we have range 0 to 65,535. So you can easily give the answer to him. Okay.
Okay.
Then type of variables. What are the type of variable? I will be discuss here. You already discussed primitive and reference. We are dividing primitive and reference. What is the primitive variable and what is the reference? Primitive variable we can use to represent a primitive value. See, we have a predefined data type. We have a predefined data type or not? Int. You already know what is the int. And a is a variable and we are putting the literal value inside the a. So you can say that is a part of the primitive. Got it? This is the int, our data type. A is a variable and 5 is a literal or constant value inside the holding the value inside the a. Then we will go to the reference variable. We can be used to reference object. Yesterday we are creating a human class. We are creating a human class. So how you will be represent this class as a object? So this one is the class name. See, this one is the reference variable and variable name always in a small letter and as a same as a class name. You can write also H. You can also as only man. But whenever you will use the predefined class name, that time you will face the problem. So that's why we should mandatory to write the reference variable name as a same name as a class name in the small letter. Then later point of time, if you will be access any data through the reference variable, you can easily to understand this reference belongs to this class. Got it? Hello?
Yes.
And new is
No, come again. Yeah, you just compare with the int age equal to 5 to human. What is that? I didn't understand that one. Why can't we just say human is equal to new human? You need to put 2 humans, right? Why?
See, this is the class. This is the class. Got it? Here, wait.
Predefined class. Predefined class.
Human is the not predefined. We are creating it. This is the user
You
defined.
already, already created, yes.
Yes. Yesterday already created, na?
Oh, we already created one class. Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
You are referring that as a variable here.
So this class is a creating through the objects. How you will be represent this class as a object? So this one is the creating. This one is the class and this one is the reference of this class, and a new through the new keyword we will use the object, and this one is the constructor. You already yesterday you saw the constructor. Constructor name will be same as a class name. Got it my point?
Okay.
See, Java P test. See, this is the constructor. Got it? This one is the constructor.
Okay.
Same as a class name. If people will be asked to what is a constructor, constructor name will be same as a class name. It has no any return type. See, main is a method. It has a return type, void. Without void having no any meaning, no any value, anything else. So that's why void. But see, this is a treat as a method. Constructor also writing through the as a method. See, because method have also one bracket. See, method have a also some bracket. This is the parameterize. They pass the value parameter, but is the by default constructor. This is the by default constructor. They are not providing anything else. So you can say every class have a by default constructor. Every class have a by default constructor. If you will be put parameterized constructor, they will be not follow the by default because it is automatically generated by the source file. So I will teach. So you know what is the constructor and what kind of the constructor will two type of the constructor, default constructor and parameterized constructors. I will be discuss in the later in the class. So got it? What is the constructor?
So construction can have a parameter also.
Yes, parameterize also we can, because when we will pass the value, we can do the get the value also. So we can do the parameterize also. By default and parameterize both we can do that, and constructor will be same as a class name and it has no any parameter. This is the rules. You can write the note also for the remember. Okay. So every rules is required. So where we are. So did you understand what is this? New is the keyword.
Yes.
New is the keyword for use for creating an object. If people will ask to what is the new? New is the keyword for creating a object. For creating a object. Okay. So already we have so inside the keyword. So if you will not remember the keyword based on the whatever I discuss, you will forget. See, this is the object level. We have a new keyword. Got it?
Okay.
That's why I request to fresher developer, please at least you will remember all the keywords whenever develop, because you will be divided based on the module, modifier level, class level, object level, flow level. But people are forgetting during the practice and getting the job. That's enough. No, you should remember every time. As a already give you example, if manager don't know which key will be open with the which room, very difficult to as a post as a manager in the hotel. The same thing as a developer, if you know the very well keyword, all those things use, you can easily to implement your source file. Okay, so did you understand? Hello.
Yes.
If you have any doubt, you can ask. So this one is the class name. This is one is the reference name. This one is the new keyword for object creator, and this one is the constructor. Okay. I will tell you what is your constructor mainly used for initialize the value of class variable. Suppose here if I will declare any value without any value, this one is responsible to give the by default value. That's why we are using the constructor. Got it my point? Suppose we will be create int I, okay, public static void main string args. See, we have a program, and here we are not creating any we are not put any value. So how I will be see the what is the by default value of that? Is it possible to see the by default value? Who will give to him by default value? Tell me, who will give by default value?
So you need to pass the value to the class.
Yes. Right now we are going to create this object inside the method. Okay. Then we will be call reference human dot I, human dot I. Okay, you will understand. I will be discuss what is this, which kind of variable will here, instance variable or static variable or local variable. I will discuss in this session today. Okay, I'm giving the only for example how you will be, what is the use of this. This one is also constructor. This one is responsible to giving the by default value to him. So now I will be copy this source file and go to the here, create a new and paste. Small is good. We will follow the some rules.
What if the class is already existing? What is the kind of exception you get it?
Pardon?
So you created a human class yesterday.
Okay.
In the same folder, by mistake, I'm creating again the class. So the latest one will be overwritten?
Yeah. If you will be creating a same, they will be overwritten.
Okay, then there is no information for us how to
No,
recognize this as
they will be
latest
asked.
one.
They will be asked to you. Did you want to delete or you want to remove this folder or not? They will be asked first, because as a developer you are responsible to all dialog box whatever he are saying. Got it my point? Same
Okay.
thing happen during the installation your Java, they are giving the also some instructions. If you are not focused on that, you will face the problem. So now we will be save this file human.java. Okay, then sorry, Java C human.java. See, we have compiled successful. We have run successful. We are getting a by default value of int. Got it? So, did you understand who is responsible to give the by default value? JVM is responsible to giving the by default value of the int. Interviewer will also to you. Who is responsible to giving the by default value of the int? JVM through the this one. Got it? This one is responsible.
No, it asked the value.
Yeah, interviewer will
Go
be.
to,
Yeah, tell me.
go to the program. Go to the
This one is the
command prompt.
program. Okay.
Command prompt.
Okay. We are getting one value, 0 by default.
So how can I pass the value 1? If I
Again,
need 1, means to pass the
you can pass the one and save one.
Initialize.
Again you will compile and again you will get one.
okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So interviewer will also ask you in the telephonic, okay, you have a 5 or 10 resource. Tell me what is the by default value of float. If you are not observe that, you will be guess. And if you are not giving the basic question, they will not trust to you. You have a 5 or 10 years experience during the interviewer. Most of people are asking that, they are forgetting. Development is also easy. If you will know the rules, you will do the copy paste. But matter is that enhancement, you are getting the responsibility. So that's why we have not the all the basic fundamental tools. You will be enjoy the job. Got it? So now you will see the what is the use of the object, how you will use the object. So understand, this is the primitive value. Got it? This one is the primitive value. Got it my point? This one
So
is
now
the
you made this, no, the variable what you declared at the moment, I, as an integer, you made it as a public to make it available for all methods in the class human. Is that right?
pardon, what are you saying?
The variable integer I value, whatever
Okay.
you declared,
Okay.
is a global variable for all the methods in the class human.
Yes. This one is the global variable. This one is the instance variable. I will teach you what are the name will be say as a developer on the experience. This one is the global variable. This one is the instance variable also. Two name will be no as a developer. And what are the scenario you can use this variable? Okay. So through the object. So today you know that through the object you can use. In the static area, if you will want to access this variable inside the static area, see this method is a static area. Topic, you have a topic in the syllabus, static area. What is a static? We have a static area. Whenever you will be, suppose that we will be comment this line. This is the comment. Okay, see what kind of the exception you will get. See, cannot find symbol, system.out.println human I. See, first we will be also remove human. Okay, direct we want to print this variable inside the main method. So what kind of exception? Yeah,
Sanjay, I have a question.
okay,
Can you go back to the source code?
yes.
See, you declared a variable globally, I understand it.
Okay,
And we haven't defined our constructor explicitly.
okay,
I would expect when you create an instance for that particular object, like the statement, the commented line when it is executed,
okay.
I would expect the constructor will be reinitializing the value of I, but in the example what you're given it is not. Is my understanding is wrong?
No. This one is that generating the whatever we are initialize the value inside the global variable. Got it? So
Understand, but when you use a new and the human is a constructor, I would expect the constructor will reinitialize it to 0 because I have not written anything explicitly in the constructor.
I will
Is it?
Yeah. I understand. You want to reinitialize. Am I right?
Yeah, it's supposed to reinitialize, and I would expect I value should be 0, but we are getting a value 1.
See, expectation if you want to 0, this is the by default value of the int. By default configure inside the JVM. This value is a user defined, means user want to 1. But if you want to by default, they will be give you based on the JVM. JVM have a configuration int value is a 0. The same thing with the int byte, int, short, long. The 4 data type is there. They are giving the by default value 0. If you use float, double, they will give you the 0.0. If you use the char, they will be giving the some space. If you use the boolean, they will give you to the, see, we will write here.
No, that is fine. I understand what you're trying to explain, but my question here is the commented line when you declared human as a reference variable of class capital H human, and you are using your instantiating object for it. So you're writing a human as a constructor, right?
Yes.
The human, I would expect when the reference variable human is referring to the constructor, whereas in the constructor you haven't written anything which is taking a default value.
Yes.
So when I try to print the value of I from reference variable human as a constructor is reinitialized to 0.
Yeah, you are right.
But whereas we are getting output as a 1. How?
No. 1 is the possible because we are initialized by the developer. If you want to 0, means you have don't know the initialize anything else. This is the by default value. Got it my point? Got it my point or not?
Okay.
If you will be not.
No. Here, human of the constructor, whatever Venkat is telling, that if you write a new human, automatically it will be initialized. That one you declared as I equal to 1, you should be 0, right? Human of new human of.
See, in
because construction is
in other class I will be discuss when did you get 0, when did you get 1, 2, 3. I will be create 2 or 3 times the same object, okay, and reference in the later point of time, okay. So don't worry about that. Got it my point?
Okay.
So here we are going to that direct access without creating object. We are create direct access. Is it possible to know? We are checking right now.
Okay, we'll proceed.
See, we have a getting exception. Java C Java human.java error, non-static variable I cannot be referenced from static context, means you cannot access non-static. This belongs to non-static area, and non-static cannot access directly inside the static area. So this kind of exception you are also get in your system. So you should remember. Got it my point?
Then what if I need to get the value? Then what I need to tell?
If you want to that, then again through the reference you should create an object, and through the reference you can access. Then problem will be solved. Okay. So if you want to access non-static variable inside the static, you should create a object, and through the object reference you can access this variable. Got it my point? Hello?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So will you note this program?
Yeah, I'll make note.
Okay.
Will not down.
You can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Done.
So we know the difference primitive and reference. Got it my point? Reference variable?
Yes.
Okay. Then we will go based on the purpose position declaration variable, means we will be the divided what are the type of primitive inside that. Already this one is the instance or global, you can say that. Got it? So here we have divided the variable with three part: instance variable, static variable, and local variable. This is the all major part for a developer, because object have a two parts. You see the in last class, group of the status and group of the behavior. The class
Static variable. What is that? First one is
instance variable, and you can say the same name of the static global variable, you can say also instance variable slash global variable, you can write.
Oh, instance variable or global variable?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. Now tell me that what is that instance? Show me.
Yeah, I will be tell you. Instance variable declare inside a class, outside a method, outside a constructor, outside of the block. This is called instance variable. I will be discuss all those things here. See, instance variable, you can write the instance variable.
Yeah.
Instance variable should be declare within a class directly. Instance variable declare within a class directly. This is the instance variable. Got it? This one is the instance variable inside the class, but outside of the method. We are not declare inside the method anything else or any block. Got it? So this one is say instance variable.
But outside, what is that? Should be in a class directly.
Outside of the
outside
method.
method.
This one is the outside method or not? This one is the outside method.
What one?
This variable.
This one is inside a class only, right?
Yes, not a inside the method, only inside a class. So that's
inside a class, okay.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that instance variable right inside the class, only outside of a method or block or constructor. If you use here, they will be not follow the instance. If you use here, they will not follow the instance. So that's why we are saying that. Got it? So instance variable should be declared within a class directly, but outside of any method or block or constructor. Got it? Then instance variable cannot be accessed from static area directly we can access by using object reference. Already we have saw in the program, whenever we will access instance variable inside, whenever we are access instance variable inside a static area without reference, we are getting a issue. So that's why we are right here. Instance variable cannot be accessed from static area directly. We can access by using a object reference. So we are using object reference. Got it? My point? Hello?
Yes.
So you should remember rules because people are forgetting the rules. That's why you will.
Yeah, we need to make down that rules, Sanjay. Give me one or 2 minutes so that we'll make note down that rules.
Yeah.
I'll write down.
Yeah.
Can you give me 1 minute?
Yeah. You can.
Okay, 1 second.
You are note down the rules, but I think it's the document what we have is only related to the data types. Can you please send that also?
Pardon?
Or else you send this document, Sanjay. You send this document so that you'll no need to
The
note down all this.
document what we are displaying is related to keywords. Yes.
Okay. So I will be sent
We
to
are
you
noted the
all.
important points.
This
Yeah,
document I
that is
will
best.
this document I will be sent to you. You will send the email ID. I will be sent to you. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Sure.
good.
Thank you.
Okay. Don't worry about that. My purpose to you can enjoy the job, not getting only course.
Yeah.
Enjoy the job. That's the main reason.
Okay.
Okay, then no need to just to explain.
Okay. Good. No, if you will suppose right now, if you will not all those things, na, you have a more number of practice, you can capable to do that because you know very well. If you purchase the book very easily to enjoy, this is a new book. But when we not all those things, you will be practiced 2 or 3 times. You will get the depth. So that's why I say to you, if you have possible, you can note that. What are the major points? That okay?
All right. All right, Sanjay. I have a question here, Sanjay.
Yes. Ask.
You're saying can be accessed from static area, cannot be accessed from static area. What do you mean by static area?
A static area in the my program. See, this one is the static area. Whenever
Which one?
this one is the static. This is the static modifier. You already see in the modifier we have a keyword static. Whenever you will put before the see, this is the method. Method follow the rules. Method have need modifier. So return type. So void is one return type, and this method will be change the behavior based on the static. So we have a block. This is the start curly block start and end. So you can say this one is the all static area. This belongs to static area. Got it my point? This one is the
So you mean to?
yeah.
So I cannot update the value of the I from the static methods. That's what you're trying to say.
Yes, inside the static area, yeah, you cannot directly. Instance variable, you cannot directly access inside the static area. This is a technical word. People are saying the static area, or you can say that a static method. Directly, you cannot do that.
I can read it, but I cannot update it.
Yeah. Got it, my point?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So now cannot, then directly. But from the instance area, we can access instance member directly. They are saying that, but from instance area. So what is instance area? We can access instance member directly. Okay, so we have instance area. Suppose, sorry, we will public void me one method. This one is the instance area. In this area, we have no any static. Anything else? Here, you can easily
Here the method name is me.
Yes.
me. You can say anything else method name meaningful.
Understand? Yeah.
Got it? So inside the
You can put the Girish.
yeah,
So
pardon.
static.
Your name also you can put.
Yeah, my also name I
Okay.
can put, no worry about that.
Why
Multi-source
you
system.
put the void?
See, void,
It's not a,
this is the rule of, they will be not return
Standard.
any value. This is the method. Method need to the return type. Okay. Suppose in the
okay.
future,
So all
in
the
your
methods
program,
if you want to declare,
hello, pardon?
yeah, if I want to declare a method, you should say the public void, right?
If you will be public void, this is the, this purpose is the void means they are not return anything. They have no any meaning. They have only simply the void. That's why we are using. Okay. Suppose if you use the int or byte or anything, so you should remember the value also. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Sorry for this. So we can write. So this is the non-static area. So that's why we are here. From the instance area, we can access instance member directly. Again, instance variable also known as a object level variable or attributes. What is a object level or attributes? Got it my point? Object level means, yeah, tell me. Are you asking
No,
anything?
when you,
Yeah.
yeah, when you execute the program, the one which you made the modification, can you compile and execute, and can you set our expectation what will the output will be?
Yeah.
So now I would expect 2 times I value should be displayed, is it?
I value
Will
Should
be
be
displayed
yeah.
twice.
C
Say no,
first.
you just initialize I is equal to 1. Do that.
Okay. Okay. See what kind of exception and what kind of output we'll get. I will be show you here and how to resolve. See here. Error cannot find symbol. I think restart.
No, println is a spelling mistake. You can correct that.
Okay.
PRIN is missing.
Okay. This one is the required for as a developer right now. Too much active.
Is always active.
Yeah, because I want to see
You
the
didn't save it.
developer as a hunger. Whatever he want to learn new things. That's why we have need.
You didn't save the file.
I save.
Okay.
Direct you can. Okay. So now we can do that Java. See, we are getting a 0 because we are not initialize anything. Got it? But we are not
2
getting,
zeros you need to get, right?
no, not
We
get.
need,
See, whenever you will be get the output, at least this method is required to access in the main method. We are access main method here.
Got it.
oh, what is the main method here?
Main method, this one. This one is the
Can
main
you-
method.
What one? This one. First one, main is mentioned there, na?
Okay.
This one is the main method.
Okay.
Oh,
So
that
we are
in the
not-
main method we need to call.
Yes, if you will call this method inside that, then you will be give the output and represent all those things.
Oh, otherwise it won't be accessed even.
No,
If you
not
compile
possible.
and run, it won't be accessed.
No, not
Okay.
possible.
Okay.
Suppose if you want to output, they will be give you through the 0 before. This is for main method. See, we are giving the some message and through the 0. Got it?
Yeah.
So suppose if you want to print the message, your name, ID number, mobile number, contact number, family details, through that you can also print that message. You can make that in your system.
No.
Okay.
Source code.
You can see the source code. You cannot the source code.
No, I want MSS function needs to be called and that output needs to be displayed. What should I do for that?
Hello, I'm not getting your voice. Hello.
No,
Yeah.
I want that MSS method needs to be called from the main method.
So you want to call this method inside that?
Yeah, in the main.
Okay. See, if I will be put the static here, if I will put static here, directly we can call here. But this is the non-static. So non-static method is there. So we will need to the call through the reference. Got it my point? This
No,
one,
I didn't understand.
see, this one is the non-static variable.
Yes.
Got it? And this one is the non-static method. And it has a power. It has a power. The static has privilege. If you are static, directly you can come. Otherwise, you can give the your object and reference. Then you can come to me. Suppose you are going to any company through the reference only. Means suppose people will give the through the resume reference, or your colleague will be already work there. So that's why they are giving the privilege. Otherwise, if you are a same post inside the company, that's why they are giving the privilege to work here. Otherwise, not possible. Got it my point or not?
Okay.
The same thing
So in
happen
that
here.
case,
Because static standard is better than non-static method and non-static variable. You can say the non-static variable also. So before enter inside the static area, you should make on self as a static label. Suppose if I'll put the static here, they will be directly call. Otherwise, we will call through the object only.
so if I can put human dot MSS open bracket close bracket, will it work?
This one the method. Got it?
Yeah.
See what kind of exception we are getting. Void type not allowed here. Void type not allowed here. So what we'll do? Void type is not allowed here. Getting an exception or not? See,
So it should
there
return a value from here.
void not allowed here. Instance method. Got it? So what we'll do? How will we enter inside that? See, we can remove based on the, suppose you are not anything, we will remove that. What we'll do? Again, we will get the exception directly. See, invalid method. Here you are saying that invalid method means they are not follow the rules of the method also. You are getting? So we should remember about the method. Method have need to the return type also. Got it my point or not? Suppose you are a fresher, you are doing the practice, and whatever you exception getting through the message, you are resolve. But what will do? Finally again will be problems come here. Got it or not?
Yeah.
So we will be give some return type. Okay. So again, what return type? Okay, I will put the return type string. Okay. So string return. Pardon?
That is integer, right? That is integer, right? Can we
Okay.
keep it as int?
You can write int. Then you will be save the what kind of exception and what kind of problem will be solved. Okay. See here, I think missing return statement. So I think more number of statement will be there. Okay, yeah, we are missing because this one is a block, this one is a method. But what about class? So we have one.
No, we have already for that.
Okay, we have. Okay, so why we are getting? We have one method. Okay. This one the class. This is good. So why we are getting?
Did you save this one? I think you didn't save. Save it.
No, save one.
Save. No, I'm getting the that error.
Yes. Just see, listen, missing a return type. We have need to the return type. We will write this keyword return is required. So what kind of the return will be required? Suppose return 1. At least value is required, anything else. Okay.
No, I want that. No, I want
Listen.
system.
Wait. Problem will be solved. Yes, you can ask. Again, you can ask what you want.
Okay, instead of return 1, I want to write return system out dot println of I, so that that value will go off. Can I write that?
This one Code.
This,
Yeah.
You want to hear? This one you want to hear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Will that work?
You can see. See error, incompatible type. Void cannot be converted to int.
No. Actually, when we started writing this program, our intent is to print system.out.println as a separate method that needs to be invoked from the main. But I think we're deviating what we wanted to do actually.
No.
Because
See,
if you say
see.
return
I want to say you first. If you will be return type int byte sort, it has to need return value. What kind of return value will you give? Based on that, they will be print the message. See, we will be send one message. They will be show your output based on that.
then,
Yeah.
then remove one, right? One value.
Okay, you
If
can.
we remove the one value, then okay. Then what will happen?
They will be give the exception because it has need to return value. See, incompatible type, missing return value. You have need to the list return value also required. Again,
Okay,
you can put zero. You can put the zero also. You can see
then 0 will come.
because they have at least need the value. Got it? My point.
Yeah, got it.
So,
Understand.
so you can note the all
Um,
exception, all the. Okay. See, you
then
can.
you run the program, Java human.
See, we are getting
Oh,
first.
0. Okay.
This is the message. We are passing message. The instance of the zero method. We are passing here.
So what is the
What?
meaning of return 0 means it is just taking the system.out.print message and it
Yeah.
will pass, right?
Yeah. You are right.
Okay, go to the output once. Now it is showing 3 lines, right?
Yeah, because we
Okay,
are
okay,
passing
got
the
it.
3 times SOP system.out.println.
Okay, got it. Yeah, fine.
Okay, so you can note this program.
Yeah. So the point is, in a main class, we can have only one static main method, or I can say only one static method will be.
See,
Is that the right
this
statement?
this is the main method. Okay, you cannot modify anything else. You can modify the modifier static public. You can modify means you can suppose that you can write the public here. It will be work, but if you will be write void here, it will be not work because main method has need to void return type after that. Okay, I will be discuss what is the public static void main all details and what are the
Okay.
extra modifier is also required. I will be teach to you based. Okay, see here we will be compile this program also, it will work properly, no worry about that. See, got it, the same output. But if you will if you will move the void, they will be break the protocol of that main method. Suppose you will be use here, they will be not giving the error. See, what kind of exception we are getting. Public void public main method identifier expected means you are not follow the rules. Main method public void, the out of the all the rules will be break. Return type required, all those things. Return type, they are giving the information. Return type required for the main methods. As a developer, you can understand. So we should mandatory to put the return type after the method. That will be better for us. Again, we can.
So if you do not use, if you you're writing a method,
Okay.
if I'm not using void in that, so
Okay.
return is a mandatory.
Yes,
Is that?
mandatory. This is the configure by inside the JVM. If you have a getting the privilege to modify the JVM, you can do. But at least we have need to, after method we have need to the return type, and you can change that layout, but you have need to the public static both. This is the keyword, and we can not one in your not in your notebook keyword write in a small letter first. You cannot. Keyword should be a small letter only. First,
All
second,
keyword.
yeah, all keyword,
All key,
yeah, all keyword in a small letter. You cannot first. All keyword in a small letter. Second, class name should be first letter capital. Class name should be first letter capital.
Okay.
Again, interface name should be first letter capital.
What is interface?
I will be teach to you what is interface. Interface just like adjective. You know English adjective, and
Okay.
and class name as a noun. So you should write first letter is a capital. Okay, got it?
yes.
Okay, then method name will be always in small letter. Method name will be always in small letter. Method name. Method name always in small letter.
Is this a standard or it's a rule from Java?
This is the rules. Suppose if you will put the capital letter, they will be work also. But think about those who are already predefined developed by the Oracle teams. They will be not follow you. You should follow to him. That's the better. Suppose if you will write two meaningful method name, that first letter will be capital. Multi subsystem two. Then you can write first letter is a capital, because both are different meaning. Multi subsystem and two is a different. Then you can write capital letter. Otherwise,
Okay.
only a small letter, only one method name. Got it my point? The same thing happen with all those things. Got it?
Oh, you can put the small letter first. Whatever remaining, you can put anything you can put. First, starting with the small letter. That's it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Multi words, if it is a more than one word, and the second word can be in capital.
What is that? I didn't understand. Yeah, I'm unable to hear your voice, Venkat.
If you are using multiple words in naming a method, the second word can be in capital.
See,
Second word, third word, any position you can put the capital letter.
Yeah, that's the standard. Yeah.
naming conversation also I will give you how, what are the use of that. See, here curly brackets open. You can write here also, they will work, but this is not standard in the corporate. Corporate follow these rules. Here we are not mention the corporate also need the comment. Easily people will understand this one is the instance variable or global variable. Here you can write this one is the main method. People will also understand. Here you can write this one is the object. Here you can write this is the message, whatever will print. It's easily anyone can easily to understand what did you do, and people will giving the response to you. But if you see the anywhere in the side website, they are not giving the any comment. They are simply copy and paste. How to possible who are not knowledge about the Java to understand? That's the problem of that. But if you will give here, you can do the comment. Suppose you can also here comment non-static methods. Also you will understand comment is required to every source file to understand the base depth. And if you follow in the your code also in the project, easily you will enjoy. People will give the more revenge to you. He know the each and everything. So you will not get any worry. Got it?
Yes.
So did you not all those things?
Yes.
Okay, so go ahead.
So only the first letter and small letters only applicable to these three or anything else?
No, I will be already I discuss whenever I teach to identifier. In the identifier,
Okay.
see here you cannot use any keyword as a reference variable, not as a reference variable. You cannot use any keyword. If you use the here public static void main if else while, they will be give you some error. So you should not use any keyword here as a reference variable. You cannot. That's better for you also.
Okay.
Means 53 keyword you have, you cannot use here as a reference, but you can use here whatever you have a predefined class and interface. If you have a predefined class, what are the you have predefined class? Can you say that? At least 4-5 names. Tell me. Class name?
What is that you're asking?
Predefined class name.
Predefined.
Tell me. We have a predefined class name system. See, we have a system predefined class.
Correct.
Okay. We have a string predefined class.
Mm-hmm.
We have a predefined array. Array is also treated as a class.
Mm-hmm.
The same thing, we have a predefined interface is also collection, runnable, this more number of things. I will be, see here we have a predefined class interface already. We have discussed in API. Where is API? API, see. We have a predefined interface, see. Appendable, autocallable, carryable. Why you have to remember? Because it is belongs to java.lang package. So you should remember at least runnable is also readable, runnable, iterable, at least 2 or 3, comparable, callable, at least 3, 4, 5 interface you will remember because it belongs to java.lang package. They are not using directly right in the source file. So as a developer, you will remember the interface name. Then what are the predefined class name? Predefined class name. See, you will be see here. This one is the data type in a small letter. If you use as a capital letter integer, they will be treated as a class. But right now it is a variable. So see here byte, boolean. This is the first letter is capital. This is a wrapper class. I will be teach you in wrapper class also. So right now see class is also class. You can if a compiler is also class. Whatever you had done, C compiler. We have used C compiler. Compiler is also class. See compiler. It has also one method. See boolean. Compiler class. Boolean. Compiler classes. Disable, enable. If it will work, they will enable this disable also. Cause the compiler to his operation. If any case any problem, they will work as a disable. If you work properly, they will use as a enable. So compiler is also class. Math is also class. Whatever you have a methods, whatever your requirement, you will use that. See, we have assign, ratio, cell, copy sign, copy, cos, exponential, flow drive. Based on the requirement, you can understand all those things. Object is also class. So as a developer, a fresher, you should remember at least 10 to 5, 15, 14 class name, whatever predefined. String is also class, thread is also class, system is also class. Got it, my point? Hello?
Yeah.
See,
Yes.
we have a out system is a class. See, and already told you last class, object is super class, means whatever you predefine class or user defined class will be there, object will be always there. So you should remember what are the method inside the object. Can you say how many method inside the object?
Any number of methods.
No, not good. In object, any method is not. I think you forget the last class. 11 method. Got it, my point or
No,
not?
I didn't get your question. Can you come again?
How many method inside the object class?
Object class. Okay.
Yeah.
No, I haven't. Okay.
How many?
No, I haven't gone through that. I need to memorize that. I haven't gone through it.
So
I was thinking,
that's why I
understand.
request to last class, please, you should remember the object and methods. See, as an example, if people will ask to property about my parents, if I'll forget, what will do? People will laugh on me. My property will be lost. Sometimes society will be catch up, otherwise government. Same thing as a you developer. If you don't know the object information, what will do? Every time you will face the problem. Suppose
Okay.
later point of time system has required predefined methods, whatever develop inside that. If you will not remember, is it possible to use here?
Yeah.
Not possible.
Correct.
Then again we will go to the search. Is it possible to everything is search on the net? Not possible. Sometime net will be also not there in a company, corporate. They will not allow to search anything else. What will do on that time? So at least we have to remember all the object information. So a later point of time predefined class or user defined class, we can use that. Got it? See here
Yeah.
how to one class is extend to superclass by default. System class contains several useful classes field method cannot be initialized. See system dot out. See system dot out. This is a standard output stream. They are giving the output stream. If you want to input the keyboard, if you want to insert the value through the keyboard, you will be use in see input stream. If you want to see the error, you will get the system dot error. And this is the return type also, print stream. What is the print stream? You can directly click here. You will be see. Print stream is also class, belongs to java.lang package. See, you have also java.io package is there in your syllabus. And before system know about the print stream, you should know about the file output stream. And before output file stream, you should know about the output stream. And before output, you can see here also object is superclass. So got it my point? What I want to teach you?
Yeah.
And how much important to us for the as a developer?
Yes.
Okay. So you have clear instance variable?
Yeah. Clear.
So anybody people will ask to you what is instance variable or what is a global variable or what is a non-static variable. You can also say to him non-static variable also because he has not hold any static. He is without static. So 2 or 3 name will be put as a developer or experience purpose. Okay. So
Yeah.
that's the better for us also and you. Simply I want to after joining your job domain, you will enjoy the job based on the rules only. You have no worry about the copy paste. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we will be discuss about the what is a static variable. What is a static variable? You can write static variable. Static variable should be declared within a class directly. Static variable should be declared within a class directly. Means same as a instance variable. Got it? But outside of any method or block constructor with a static modifier. Means you outside of any method or block and constructor. Same information also in a instance variable. So you can communicate one definition to another definition. So easily to understand and easily you will be remember also. With static modifier, only one difference we will be put static here. Static here. Only one thing is the we will put static here. Got it?
Yeah.
My point? All those things is the same as an instance, but only for static modifier is there. Got it? My point?
Yeah.
So you cannot. Static variable should be declared within a class directly, but outside of any method or block constructor with static modifier. Then next, static variable can be accessed either by using a class name or by using a object reference. Means we can access static through the object also, and we can access through the class name also. Suppose we have Putting a comment here and direct. I means static variable you can access through the object reference. Static variable you can access through the class name. Got it? Static variable you can access through using a class name or by using object reference, but recommended to use class name. Okay, within the same class event means, suppose if you have a same class, so that's better to you can use directly class name. No need to create object here. Got it?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes.
So it is not required to class. Now we can access directly. One more things. Third point with here, it is not required use a class name. This is not required. You can we can also can access directly. See, if you will be use here, this is the privilege of static because both have a same nature belongs to that. Variable also static and method also as a static. So this variable can also come here. So they will be not face any problem. See, this is exception because we are okay. What is the exception we are getting? Okay, because we are not putting the concatenation plus operator. Again, we are getting what kind of exception we are getting? System.out.println. Okay, I expected 21. See, we are getting I because we are not put the semicolon. Okay.
Semicolon, yeah.
Okay. Our problem has been solved. Got it? So this is the static. So will you note this program? And I hope you will do the practice whatever I teach today.
Okay.
Okay. And session will be over. And next class, maybe I think Monday you have class, right?
Yeah.
So
yes.
I will be recall again static and then go to the local variable and go ahead. Okay.
Okay.
So
sure.
Okay. So thank you for joining the class. Most welcome. Next. Okay. See you.
Please share the
Talk to you on
document.
Monday.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Sanji, don't forget the document.
Yeah. Yeah. I will be sure. You can send the mail. I will be for send. Okay.
Sure.
Don't wait.
Okay.
You can send the email ID.
Thank
I will send you. Okay.
No, Shivali is having all our email IDs.
Okay. 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 So I will be sent to her. She will be sent to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't
All
wait.
right.
Thank you.
Okay. Most welcome.